Hi everyone, I'm Jason, and today's video is a video request on the StreamX model X1PRO. So it seems like a lot of you guys are getting this problem. When you head over to the App Store, it doesn't do anything. It just keeps spinning. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So this is actually a really easy fix. Let's exit. Let's go back to the home screen. Now let's head over to the gear, the settings. Now we're going to go down to apps. See all apps. And what we're looking for is the App Store. Mine's right here at the top, but yours might be down on the list. So we're going to hit enter. Force stop. And now we're going to go down to clear data. Okay, once that's done, now let's exit back to the home page. Now let's head back to the App Store. Then App Store again. Request storage permissions. You have to hit confirm. Then hit allow. And there you guys have it. Now you can enter back into the App Store. All right, quick, easy fix. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.